our tag. We'll get rid of that. We don't need that. Get rid of this paper. And here's our cactus. No gift in there. Stingy this time with the gifts. Always put in a gift. Many people don't though. Alright, let's have a look. Oh wow, look at that. Very nice. This is a Scop cross Zelly, variegated. Got roots and all, ready to grow. Alright, check that out. Isn't that nice? Very, very, very nice berry. Alright, let's get him in some soil. I got a pot here, ready to go, as I've been potting up some babies this morning. Mostly stuff I want to keep. Look at that. Like it was born for it. Okay, we've got a nice tag from the supplier. Boom. Done. Scop cross Zelly. Super nice addition to the collection. With a good amount of marbling, it shouldn't stop anytime soon. Have a safe and happy New Year's, y'all. I will see you next year.